G'day, it's Peter back with another episode of the Property Club, and today I'm looking at San Antonio Village in Zambales. So I'm here in Zambales, which is about 50 minutes drive north of Subic Bay, of Subic Town, and I'm here to check out some properties. I'm going to drive around San Antonio Village and show you the houses around the local area. Now, San Antonio Village is a great area. We've got mountains to this side and we've got the beach to this side. So the beach from San Antonio Village is only about 2 or 3 minutes drive. It's about 3 minutes drive, not far at all, only about 2 kilometers away. So it's a great little spot. You've got the country, you've got hiking, waterfalls, islands and beaches. It's a great little spot. And I'm going to show you the town and we're going to check it out. So let's go. Provincial beach town. It's up and coming here in Zambales. You can see there's a lot of new houses being built here. So you've got a bit of a mix of old and new. You can see this little corner house, this old ancestral Filipino style home here. There's quite a few of these ones. I actually really like these cultural heritage homes. A lot of new ones being built here too. So what do houses sell for in here? Like, honestly, land you can probably buy between 1 and 2 million peso. If you're lucky, you might get, like, you know, a renovator's dream, and pick something up for like 2.5 to 3 million peso is like the starter off price, you know, for a starter home here in San Antonio. Hello. It's a quiet little village. Another ancestral home here. Got the creeper vine there on the fence line. And with places like Angeles City and Subic Bay increasing all the time and prices getting a bit over the top, this is a good option for expats, especially those expats that miss that beach life and want that provincial Filipino life and to live near the beach with, you know, big waves and surf. You know, this could be a good option for those expats, especially Aussies that love the surf, love the beach. Check out this funky beach shack. Friendly neighbors. Couple of billy goats. Check out this gem.
Mahal pa yung